Western Digital, My Passport, 2 terabyte external hard drive. Quick unboxing. Cord. Manual. This side goes into hard drive, this side to a computer. It's a bit smaller than Elements or Easy Store. Now we connected it to the computer. You can feel it spinning inside. It's a hard drive, so I do not suggest to move it or like shake it or anything while it's working. It's very fragile, especially while working. When you open your devices and drives and you see My Passport here, 1.81 terabyte. That's the real size. It's always about 7-10% less because of the conversion. It's already formatted into NTFS, so you can just start using it right away. You don't have to do anything. Just like a big flash drive. Thank you very much for watching.